Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail you how to edit alarms on Apple Watch Series 9. So for the end of this, if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now the first thing you want to do to edit alarms on Apple Watch 9 is go ahead and press the digital crown once to exit the watch face. Locate and click on alarms. Then you should see your existing alarms. If you turn them off, just go ahead and turn them on. Now to edit the alarms, all you need to do is click on one of the alarms. Once you click on it, come to say change time and click on it. Now I want to change alarm time. In this case, let's say you want to set the alarm time from 10:18 to 2. Then use the easy crown to rotate until you get to the time you want to set this to. And then you can change between AM or PM. Then go ahead and click on the check mark. Now if you want to change the day, come here and click on repeat. Then choose when you want the alarm to work. So if you selected every day, you can just come here and on check days you want the alarm to turn off. And after that, hit the back button. And I should say the day alarm is going to work, and then you should see the time, then hit the back button, and then you're good. You can repeat this on all the alarms you have on your Apple Watch. So that's exactly how to edit alarms on Apple Watch Series 9. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.